In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you join SHEIN VIP program. Let's get started. Joining the SHEIN VIP program is easy. As soon as you create and register a SHEIN account, you are automatically enrolled in the SHEIN VIP program at no extra cost. There is no separate sign-up process required. As you continue shopping and make eligible purchases, you can progress through different VIP labels and unlock additional rewards and exclusive member benefit. Now, to create SHEIN account, launch your SHEIN app, navigate to the Me page. Now here you can use these options to create your account, Google ID, Facebook or Apple. All you have to do is click on it. Or also you can enter the email or phone number. Likewise fill in the details where you'll need to type in your name, last name, email address, phone number. After you fill in that, click on continue. Agree with the terms and conditions of SHEIN. Then verify your phone number. And after you do that, your account will be created. And this way you have joined the SHEIN VIP program. The VIP status is based on your qualifying purchases, and each membership tier comes with its own set of perks that are valid for a limited period. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.